In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use a pickaxe in the left hand in Minecraft and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, when you have a pickaxe in your right hand, you are able to break any blocks by holding left click and so on. This will work with any tool. But what if you equip it in your offhand? You might be curious on whether or not you can break blocks with a pickaxe on the left hand or any other tool. Well, as you can see, I have it equipped, and if I start left clicking, I'm gonna use my fists instead of the pickaxe. If I try right clicking, nothing happens as well. So what button do I have to use? Do we have to go over to the controls and change something here? Well, sadly, the actual answer to the question at the head of this video is that breaking blocks with a pickaxe or any tool, like an axe, on your offhand is impossible. Sadly, the offhand is designed for items that have some sort of right-click functionality or passives. So, an example would be a map. If you equip a map in your offhand, it is always going to be available for you. If you equip a shield, you can hold right-click to block. If you equip torches, you can right-click on any block to place them down. But, like I said before, this functionality is exclusive to certain items, and tools, including pickaxes, are not included on that list. So sadly, as it stands today, using a pickaxe through the left hand is impossible. Of course, you can equip the pickaxe so it is clearly appearing in my left hand, but nothing will happen when I actually try to break blocks. So as it stands today, you will not be able to actually use these tools. If you just want to have it there, then you are free to do it, but this will not allow you to break anything. This will also apply to any sort of tool, so axe, shovels, and so on. The left hand is supposed to be used with items like torches, maps, shields, and so on. So the purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the differences in the intended usage of the left hand. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our content are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.